Good day everyone, welcome to our day 16 of our Canva tutorial series. In today's video, we'll explore time-saving tips, Canva shortcuts, and hacks. By the way, I'm May. Join me to discover how you can boost your design efficiency with these essential shortcuts and hacks. Let's get started. Canva is a powerful tool for creating a stunning design, but did you know that there are shortcuts and hacks that you can make your work even faster and more efficient? Alamin natin ang mga ito. So, first, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. These are a game changer. Here are some must-know shortcuts. Control plus C to copy and Control V to paste. No, mas madali mag-copy at mag-paste ng elements. Plus, for example, meron kang design from your old project na gusto mong gamitin to your new project. Yes, possible po yun. Ang gagawin mo lang is Control plus C and then Control plus V. Next, group and ungroup. To group, Control plus G. To ungroup, Control plus G. Shift plus G. Okay? So, ulit. To group, Control plus G. To ungroup, Control Shift plus G. Okay? It is to group the multiple elements for easier movement and editing. Diba? Mas madali siyang mas paglipat-lipatin at stable yung position niya kapag naka-groupings. Zoom in and zoom out. Siyempre, ang hirap naman yun, diba? Kung mag-e-edit ka, tapos hindi mo siya basta-basta makakuha kasi sobrang higit niya. So, to zoom in, Control plus plus. To zoom out, Control plus minus. Okay? Quickly adjust your view to work on details or the bigger picture. So, pwede mo itong gamitin para mas mabilis ang iyong workflow. Next, let's dive into the design hacks. Magic Resize. Need to repurpose your design to different platforms. Use Magic Resize to quickly adjust dimension. Work without starting from the scratch. Yes. Kunwari, naka-A4 siya. Naka-A4 size siya. Pwede mo siyang i-Magic Resize to Facebook posts, Instagram posts, or kahit na anong documents or pang posts na gusto mo. No? Brand kit. Set up your brand kit with your brand's color, fonts, logos. This makes me think brand consistency. So, yung brand kit, based on my experience, magagamit mo lang to kapag ikaw ay naka-Canva Pro. Okay. So, ilalagay yung sa mga gusto mag-Canva Pro, ilalagay ko na lang yung link on the description. Custom templates. Create and save custom templates for frequently used design. This saves you time and ensure consistency across your projects. Now, Canva also offers several time-saving features. Grids and frames. Use grids and frames to quickly organize your layout and keep your design elements in place. Photo background remover. With just one click, you can remove backgrounds from images, saving your time on detailed editing. Text styles. Apply pre-designed text styles to your elements to make them stand out without spending too much on manual adjustment. Mga picture na ito is dinesign para mas mapabilis ang iyong trabaho. These shortcuts and hacks are just a few ways to make your Canva experience smoother and more efficient. Practice using them and you'll notice a significant improvement in your workflow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Kita-kits sa susunod na video and happy designing with Canva. I'm May. Ciao!